Dear guys, we have some beautiful pictures here. I'm going to apply that mask options on the image. I would go on that mask options, and here, friends, I'm trying that shadow last one, last two, last three, last four, five, six, shadow one, shadow two, shadow three, that's a shadow five, six, shadow seven, shadow eight, shadow nine, and 10, and 11, and 12, and that's 13, and 14, and 15, 16, and that's 18. So guys, I have to choose that shadow 10 options for the pictures. Next one is a ripple, so we could also try that one. Another one is a light. So guys, here I'm trying that light options on it. Next to it is a bokeh. That one is the borders. So here beautiful borders are going to be applied on the pictures like that one, and that have been chosen.